Hi everyone, here we are today going to remove the blower assembly out of a Broan PM400SS insert. The first thing you do is make sure that power is disconnected and to always wear your safety gear. The next step, what we're going to do here is we're going to remove the grease filter. Once the grease filter is removed, the next step would be to remove the electrical box cover. There is one screw holding the electrical box cover. Now I'm going to go ahead and get that removed here for you. And you're going to remove that electrical box cover just by pulling on it. The next step, what we're going to do here is we're going to remove this whole grill. There's two screws on the left and there'll be two screws on the right, and I'll go ahead and get those screws removed. Once those screws are removed, the grill will come down. You can actually disconnect this motor. It's got a quick connect. The grill is right here. If you would need to get at the front of the unit for changing light bulbs or switch control, you would do so. To remove this blower, now the blower that we have here is actually mounted in a horizontal position. You can actually use on this unit the blower mounted in a vertical position or horizontal. In this case, it's in a horizontal position. There's going to be two nuts that you're going to be removing. Those nuts are 3/8 inch nuts, and there's going to be one on the left on the plate and one on the right on the plate. And I'm going to go ahead and get those removed here. Once those nuts are removed, this blower will lift up off of the stud. Sometimes you might have to use a screwdriver, and the blower will slide right out. And there you have it.